Since 2015, Winway Lighting has been your reliable partner for professional LED commercial lighting solutions. Our mission is to deliver energy-efficient, eco-friendly, and high-quality lighting to brighten spaces around the world. Every project starts with understanding your needs. We respond promptly to inquiries, providing product catalogs and detailed specifications. We verify your core requirements, including target markets, quantity, installation scenarios, compliance, voltage, color temperature, brightness, features, lead time, and budget. For standard products, we provide comprehensive and competitive quotations based on your needs. For customized solutions, our technical team designs practical lighting schemes, adjusts specifications, recommends products, and provides packaging designs with your logo if needed. Once the quotation is approved, we confirm the order and contract. Upon receiving payment, production starts immediately. Our modern facilities and strict quality control ensure every LED fixture meets high performance, safety, and durability standards. We maintain communication with you during production for timely adjustments. Before shipment, every product undergoes aging tests, and selected units are tested with integrating spheres. Detailed inspection reports are provided, and third-party inspections are supported if required, ensuring full compliance with agreed specifications. After production and quality verification, products are packaged with export standard materials, labeled with international and client-specific information, including manuals and accessories. We arrange safe and timely shipping, provide all necessary documentation, and keep you updated with shipment tracking until delivery. Our service continues after delivery. We provide comprehensive after-sales support, typically with a 2-year warranty, ensuring timely technical assistance and long-term reliability for your lighting projects. We maintain long-term relationships with our clients. Regular follow-ups gather feedback, provide maintenance tips, and share updates on new products to ensure ongoing satisfaction and value. Winway Lighting, your trusted partner for reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly LED lighting. Let's work together to brighten your business and create a greener future.